All right, it's Sunday night about 10:15 p.m. Here's your weekly rundown for April 27th through May 1st for PCM. So this week we are going to start Unit 7. We're going to be in Section 7.1 for the entire week. That section deals with matrices and systems of equations. So in addition to watching this rundown Monday, watch the first video, Day 1 notes for 7.1. And your assignment is Worksheet 7.1, Day 1. That will be due Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. On Tuesday morning, I will do a help session. That'll be at 10 a.m., our normal time. Again, just log in with the access code PCM Kosanki. Wednesday, you'll be given the notes. The notes are up for Day 2 of 7.2. So you want to watch that, and then Worksheet 2 is your assignment. That is going to be due Thursday evening at 11:59. Thursday, I will do a help session as well. Same time, 10 a.m. Use the code PCM Kosanki to join Google Meet if you need help or have questions. Friday, Day 3 notes for 7.1. Your assignment will be Worksheet 7.1, Day 3, and that is going to be due on Monday of next week, Monday, May 4th. So that's the rundown for the week. So you got 3 assignments, 2 due this week. Assignment 3 will be due Monday of next week. Help sessions on Tuesday and Thursday. One quick heads up on Schoology where it says the notes for 7.1. When you open that up, that's actually the PDF. That's the notes for all 3 days. You'll see it's clearly labeled there for Notes Day 1, Notes Day 2, Notes Day 3. But I did not put 3 different files up there for the notes. It's just one file with all 3 days, but the videos separate that out. So again, if you got any questions, give me a holler, let me know. Also, just a heads up, as you plan ahead, Mother's Day is 2 weeks from today, so make sure you're planning that out, and don't forget Mom. So, all right, thanks a lot. Have a good week.